Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Lemon from Mashle. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off in the center and draw the eyes. We'll start with a curve over and down on both sides. Next, underneath on the inside, let's step in and draw an angle down. And then curve it back up. And then color this part in black. Next, underneath, let's draw a circle on both sides. And then another smaller black circle in the center. Now top down, and underneath each eye, let's draw a small curve in the center. And then two small curves next to it on the outside. Next, let's hop up and let's draw 3 eyelashes on both eyes. And lastly, another curve on top of each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides next to the eyes and let's draw an angled line down. And then curve it down to a point for the chin. Now let's move back inside and let's draw a line down in the middle for the nose. And then 2 curves underneath with a gap in the center for the mouth. Now let's hop over on the left side and let's draw the magic mark. Under the eye, let's draw a line down and a C-shaped curve underneath. And now let's thicken it up slightly. Next, let's hop on top of each eye and let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. And now let's thicken them up slightly towards the center. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and draw the hair. Let's start on top of the left eye towards the center here, and let's draw a curve down. Then let's bring it up. Another piece down and up. Curve it down again. And then a larger V-shaped piece in the middle. Now let's hop up on the right and let's draw a curve down and another one next to it. And that's it for the center piece of hair. Now before we draw the rest, let's hop up and let's draw a curve across for the headband. And then another curve on top of this one. Now we can move back down and finish drawing the hair. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve down and in. Then let's hop over and let's draw a curved piece down towards the eye and back out. Now to fill in that gap, let's curve it up and back down. Now let's add the longer piece of hair underneath. Underneath, next to the face, let's draw a curve down and in. Then let's curve it up from the bottom. Now let's add another V-shaped piece next to it. And then hop back up and a longer curve down and in to finish it off. Now let's hop to the right side and let's draw the same thing. This time let's start higher up and let's draw a curve down and in. Then curve it up from the bottom. And again, another skinny V-shaped piece at the bottom. And then hop up to the headband and let's draw a curve down to close it off. Now that we have the side pieces of hair, let's move back in and finish drawing the bangs. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a curved piece down and up. And then a wavy line over to the side. And then let's add 2 curves inside. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw another skinny piece. And then curve it down and over. Now let's add another curve inside at the bottom. And one more above it. And that's it for the bangs. Now let's hop to the top and let's finish drawing the headband. On top of the center, let's draw a curve up and down. Then next to it, let's draw another bump up and then angle it in. And then let's add a diagonal line inside the middle. Now on top, let's draw a curve up and out on both sides. Then let's curve it out again. And then a wavy line back in underneath. And lastly, inside, let's draw a curve up and then bring it down at the top. Now let's hop down underneath the bow and let's draw a curve down on both sides for the top of the head. And that's it for the head for now. Now let's move down and draw the neck. Let's start with 2 curves down underneath. And then add a V shape underneath. Now let's hop to the sides of the neck and let's draw a small curve out. And then let's curve it down and continue it below the hair. Now let's hop back inside and let's draw 2 angled lines down for the collar of the shirt. Now in the center, let's add the tie. Between the collar here, let's draw a line across. And then angle it down on both sides. And then a line across the bottom. Next, on top of the shape, let's draw a V shape on top. Then hop back down and let's draw a set of angles down and out. And lastly, inside each side of the shirt, let's draw a small curve down. And that's it for the dress shirt and tie. Now let's move out and let's draw the cloak. Let's start back up next to the neck and let's draw a curve out. And then continue it by curving it down on the other side of the hair. And do the same thing on the right side. Now let's continue the ends of the lines by curving it down. Now for the next part, let's draw a line out and then angle it down on both sides. And then an angle back in underneath. Now to finish off the shoulders, let's draw another bent line out and down. And that's it for the shoulders and the cloak. Now let's move back up and finish drawing the back of the hair. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a line down to the shoulders. And then add 2 more lines inside. And that's it for Lemon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!